Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. Today in lecture 31 of mobile application development course, we are again going to implement some more concepts, some more classes and menus. So inshallah today we are going to discuss how to implement a list item, and then we are also going to see how to create or implement menus for the editor and the catalog activity. So in the previous class we were creating interface for our editor activity, and you can see over here that we have created an interface for this editor activity, where you can see an overview, the name of the pet, the breed of the pet, and the gender. We added the spinner, and then one last thing was missing, and that was that how to add a measurement to our editor activity. And in the previous class we were also having problem in viewing this overview text, and that error was because that we were using here android underscore width, so that attribute was not applicable over here. So I changed that to android colon text, and then you can see overview and gender text. So with that, I'm going to move on, and I'm going to add the last item, which is called the measurement of the pets. So here I can add another linear layout with the width of match parent and the height of wrap content. The orientation is of course horizontal, and give it an ID of it is like a container for the measurement. All right, so with that I'm going to close it, and inside this linear layout I'm going to add first a text view having a text of measurement. In fact, this text should go to the string file, so maybe I should write here @string category underscore measurement. So with that we can add that text, the value of measurement in the string file. So this is the shortcut, and you people already know about it. When added, you see that the error has gone. And then let us move on and define the style for this measurement text view. So our style is again category style, close it. All right, so in this linear layout I'm going to add a relative layout. Now it's up to you which layout you use, but you should know that whether or not this layout is applicable. So the width is 0 dp and the height is wrap content with the weight of 2 and the padding left of 4 dp. And now inside this relative layout, let me add, you can see the design generated by Android Studio in this right pane. So now that we are in the relative layout, let me add edit text, and let me further add the ID. No, let me add the width. I think we should not use the width and the height because I'm going to use a style. And what is the style? The style is at the rate style editor field style, which we already defined in the style file. And of course the ID, it is edit underscore pet underscore weight. Adding the hint, it is like the weight of the pet. And of course the input type will be number because weight cannot be string. So with that, you can see that preview over here. I would like to add okay, let me close this text view because it may create problem in generating the correct XML layout. So I'm going to add a text view. Again, I'm going to use style, so remove this layout width and height. So our style is at the rate style editor units style, but this style is not defined, but we will define it soon. What is the text? It is kg, and the ID label underscore weight underscore units, and that's it. So we are going to define the editor unit style, which is like a style. So it's editor unit style. So I'll go to the style file, scroll down here. I'm going to add another style. So style, the name will be editor units style, and the different items would be item name, height, wrap content, item name, width, width is also wrap content. We move on slowly and gradually, adding as items as we need, and then we can say another attribute align parent right, select it, make it true, and then we can add another item which will be padding to the right. And then another item padding top, and then another item, and this will be text appearance. I mean, you already know these attributes, but you have to show a lot of patience in programming. Programming is all about patient thinking. It's not that you just say that it is something creative that you cannot type anything incorrect. You have to be specific, clear. So text appearance would be small. So with that, our style is completed. I'm going to go back to my editor activity, and you see that the error has gone, and you can also see that our interface is almost completed. So with that, let me revise what we have done so far. So let me go to the editor activity. So activity underscore edit. So let me first go to the linear layout. So this is our parent linear layout, and inside this linear layout we have three other linear layout. The first one is for overview, name and breed. The second one is for gender, and the third linear layout is for the measurement. So if I open the first one, I mean, this is how you read the XML, because Android Studio is very much powerful in like aligning or in allowing you people to read your code easily. So inside this linear layout we have a text view and then another nested linear layout. So you see this linear layout further has a edit text of name and an edit text of breed. So with that, you open the next linear layout, which is for the gender, and we have a text view, and then we have a spinner contain two items for the gender, that may be male, female or unknown, and then we have the last linear layout, which is for this measurement. So we have a text view for measurement. Again, we put a relative layout inside this linear layout, declared edit text for the weight, and then text for the unit, which will be in kg. Okay, so almost our interface for the editor activity is complete. We move on, and now I would like to define all the text that we are going to use in this app. So let me go to the string.xml file. Here let me define those text. So I know that there are a lot of text. So string name, the first one is, it should be meaningful action, insert underscore dummy underscore data. So this is for inserting the dummy pets data. So insert dummy data, another string with the name of action, delete all entries, and whenever you want to delete all the pets record, so this option will be used, this text will be used. Of course this text will be used in the menu items. Then we have another string with the name of empty view title underscore text. Alright, it's already defined, so just ignore it. Okay, we are going to add another text, and that is empty view subtitle text. So empty view subtitle text. Get started by adding a pet. Alright. Alright, so there are lots of text, but let me write it down for you. So then we have editor underscore activity underscore title underscore new underscore pet, add a pet. All right, so for the save option, so let me add a string for action save, so the text will be save. I'm going to save my typing. I'm going to copy this string, paste the same line, and this will be action delete and then we are going to add another string, and this string is category underscore gender, and the value is gender, and then string name unit underscore pet underscore name. Okay, then for the breed, and then for the weight, so it's int underscore pet underscore weight, so the value is weight. So you see there are a lot of text, and then for the unit kg, unit underscore pet underscore weight, and then for the gender unknown, the value will be unknown, and then okay, let me just paste it. So this will be gender underscore male, so gender female and female. All right, so let us move now, adding another string, and that is editor underscore insert. So these are all the strings that we are going to use in our app. Failed, so whenever insertion is failed, so we are going to use this string, and then we have editor underscore insert pet underscore successful. Then we can display message insertion successful. Okay, so with that we are running out of time. I think I should save it, and then for now let me show the app. So this is what your app looks like. This is the catalog activity. So far we do not have any pet, so this is empty, but later on you will see that we will add more and more pet when you click on this floating action button, and then we will be navigated to the editor activity where you can add, edit or delete the existing pets. So with that I'm going to see you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz and take care.